that correct?
That
Yeah.
is correct, Judge.
Okay. All right. Mr. Nesty, let me go ahead and swear you in. If you'll please raise your right hand. You understand that by offering testimony today, you are swearing to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury. Do you so swear?
Yes.
Fantastic. All right. Now, I received an application indicating that you believed your car had been unlawfully towed or more.
Right out of the gate, notice what's happening here. This isn't small talk. This is sworn testimony. Once that oath is given, every word matters. If someone lies now, it's no longer a misunderstanding, it's perjury. And that's why judges slow things down at moments like this. They're setting the legal foundation before the story even begins.
More importantly, more specifically, rather, that you came upon your car being towed. They offered to let you pay the drop fee, and then they didn't accept the payment for that.
Yes.
Okay, let me get a few details about it because I did do my research and I finally located the section. It's actually in the occupations, the administrative code. So laws about tows are typically in the occupations code, but about the drop fee is in the administrative code. So
Okay.
that doesn't matter to you. Just a little bit of fun and excitement in terms of like, where is the statute at that applies to this one? All right. What day was this at?
April, let me check. I believe April 27th.
This is one of those moments most people miss, but it's huge. The judge isn't guessing. She's already researched the law before the hearing even starts. That's how you know this case is about to turn. When a judge knows exactly where the statute lives, administrative code versus occupations code, the facts stop being opinions and start becoming enforceable law.
April 27th. Now, where was your car parked?
It was parked at the Dairy Queen on Riverside.
All right. And approximately what time did this happen at?
It was between about 8:50 and probably 9:15 p.m.
All right. Tell me what happened.
So I parked at the Dairy Queen and I was illegally parked, and then I went next door to grab a tea. And while I was in the place next door, Buzzmill, someone yelled that a black or gray Toyota was getting towed. So I was with my boyfriend and he ran outside and called me and said they said if we could pay them $50 cash, they won't tow the car. So I sent him $50 and he went to the ATM in the same vicinity and lot. And then I went out to my car and left all of our stuff. And I said, he'll be right back with the cash. This is my car. Just wanted to greet them. And then when he came back with the cash, they said, they started to create this false narrative saying we were lying and we took too long and he didn't even go get the cash at the right place. But we had the $50 cash in hand and my car wasn't fully hooked up to be towed. And then they declined us and then began to load my car and remove it from the property. And then I had to find a ride 15 minutes away and ended up paying $234 to get my car back.
Okay, so you're at the tea shop instead of Dairy Queen.
Yes.
Someone said there's a car getting towed. Sounded like your car. Your boyfriend went to check and confirm. He spoke to the tow people. The tow truck driver said there's a drop fee of $50.
Yes. Then they said cash.
He came back and told you. You then went to the car to speak to the tow company yourself.
Yes, he called me as he was going to the ATM.
Who's he?
My boyfriend, sorry.
Right. But then you physically went and saw your car and spoke to the tow company
Yes.
and said, this is my car. I want it to be dropped.
Yes, I said, this is my car. He's getting the cash. He'll be right back.
Okay. And he brought back the money?
Yes.
And what did the tow company tell you then?
They said, you took too long. We're not going to take that money. We're just going to tow your car now.
Okay. Well, that they cannot do.
Mhm.
No, they absolutely cannot. That is per the administrative code that once it's on, they do have to offer.
And there it is, the legal slam. When a judge says they cannot do that, the case effectively flips. This isn't about sympathy anymore. It's about statutory violation. The tow company's biggest mistake? Refusing the drop fee. Once the owner is present and payment is offered, the law strips the tow company of leverage and hands it straight to the car owner.
And they can't hide it from you. They actually must inform you that your car can be removed for a payment of a fee. And that fee for a light duty tow can't exceed $272. And they must accept cash, credit, or debit cards as payment for the drop charge. And there's nothing in here about how long you have to go. Would you say that it took more than 30 minutes for your boyfriend to get the cash and come back?
Definitely not.
And was the car completely hooked up at the time you arrived?
When I arrived, they said they'd removed it, and they said if he doesn't get back, we're just going to put it back on and take it.
And that's what they did? They actually put it back on and took it?
Yes.
Okay.
And then so when they also were creating the false narrative saying we were lying about where we went and what he did, which I don't think has any point to even the case, but was kind of just, I think, distracting so that they could just reload it and tow my car.
Okay. Yeah. And point of order on Texas Occupations Code, hooked up means that they actually have it hoisted up and the lights on it, ready to tow it away. If it's not at that stage, they can't charge you a dime. They have to completely release it and give you back your car. So all of that is incorrect. Okay. How much money did it cost you to get your car back?
It cost me $234.47. And I even had to pay a daily rate fee of $22, even though it had been stored for maybe 45 minutes to an hour.
So what was your complete and total out-of-pocket expense to the tow company?
$234.47.
That's it. That includes the day fee?
Yes.
Okay. And then in addition to the $234.47, you incurred an expense with us. Did you have to pay a court cost with us, or did that get waived for you?
I did. I have my receipt right here. I had to pay $54.
All right. I do see that as well. All right, well, we will be finding in favor of the plaintiff here, and as a result, we will issue an order that indicates that an unlawful tow did occur and that the tow company, the defendant, does owe you $234.47 in addition to your $54 in court costs. So that is all right. We did send notice and mailed it to both the owner of the yard and the tow company, and neither responded or came today. All right. Any questions for us, Ms. Trinity? We will send you a copy of the final order, and then with that, you can contact the defendants and seek reimbursement.
Okay, will I contact them? I'm pretty sure for the tow company, all I could find was a phone number.
You may wish to do some research about how to collect an illegal tow fee once you've had the judgment rendered in your favor.
Okay.
All tow companies have to be licensed and they are regulated. So there may be other ways to go about contacting them and ways to seek your payment. I mean, you call them as well. I'll just say that if you Google how to collect illegal tow fee when I've won my case, there's lots of help. In fact, a website that may be useful to direct you to is called texaslawhelp.org. And then the law library, JC, you're so on top of things. In our chat box, we've just given you a link as well. The Travis County Law Library.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Well, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right. Be cautious where you park in the future.
I will. Thank you.
Thank you. I guess it was nice of whoever came in and said they're towing somebody.
I know that was very helpful.
That's the good Samaritan in the crowd right there, right?
Exactly. It was amazing. Good learning experience now. So thank you.
Thank you.